present has no ribbon. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this?
Hey guys, welcome back to Donaboy Gaming here, guys. And today's video, guys, we're going to talk about, guys, that we're nearly hitting 60 subscribers, guys, which is crazy, guys. Now we already hit 50, and we've got 52, which is really good. By the way, I'm back to school tomorrow. I know it's a bit naff in there. Yeah, I'm just playing some GTA 5 now. But guys, honestly, 60 subscribers, guys. We're nearly to 60 subscribers, guys. Not long from here. But let's try and get to 60 subscribers, guys. Be very, very appreciated, guys. Be very helpful indeed as well to get some 60 subscribers, guys. And it will make my channel massive, because I'm not long from that 100, guys. I am not that long. I obviously will keep announcing, guys, every time, obviously. But if you don't want us to, guys, comment down below. But for now, I'm going to do it. The Q&A is coming out this Friday now. Well, next Friday or this Friday, if you want to call it. So, guys, put your questions down in one of these videos, one of my latest videos. Put them down, because nobody has put them down. On Twitter, they have, but not on here, guys. Come on, guys. I know you can do this, guys. So, anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, guys, smash that button. I'm sorry about this videos. I'm just busy, like I was saying. Some videos might be for, like, not be on for a week, maybe. I don't know, depends. So, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, smash